Everyone, I'm Yusuf from Techno Study. Today we're going to be talking about arithmetic operators and assignment operators. So what are these, and when do we use these, and how do we use these? So we have 7 arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are basically addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, remainder, adding, and subtracting. I'm going to show all of these I'm going to show all these with examples and how to use these. And we have assignment operators, which assigns the variables the values, and we're going to see all of these. So let's do an example for arithmetic operators, okay? So let's say system.println, let's say 5 plus 5. So if you say this, it's going to come here, which is going to print it out. And what is the Java is going to print out? Java is going to print out 5 plus 5. And we're going to say, it's going to say 10, if it will. Yes, 10. And we can also use these with texts like strings. So if I say the number is, let me put these here. So it's going to add 5 to this text, and then it's going to print out. So this is not only, if you write a number, it's adding in integer values. But if you put a text next to this, it's going to add next to the text. It's same with subtraction, division. Let me just give examples with that. And it's going to give us 5, and division 2, and multiplication as well. It's going to be 50. So these are basically it, but one different is remainder. So how do we use a percentage sign, which gives us the remainder? So remainder is basically when you divide some number with some number, not the result, but after the result is the remainder. So if we say 10 divided by 5 here, oops, I'm sorry. Here, 10 divided by 5 here. What is the remainder here? It's 0, right? So it's going to give us 0. But if we divide, okay, if we divide 13 by 5, it's going to give us 3, because when you divide 13 by 5, the result is 2, the 10 is gone, and 3 is the remainder, right? So this is how we use this. And let me give you an example with plus and minus, and int a equals, let's say 13. If I say system.println a, it's going to print out 13 for me. But if I say a plus plus, and if I say system.println, it's going to add 1 to a. When you say plus plus, it always adds 1. If you want to add more, we're going to see it in here. So this is basically it, and it's same for the plus minus minus. Let me show you real quick. As you can see here, and I'll just comment these out, not to confuse you guys. And here, assignment operators. So we have one variable. I'm going to copy and paste it here so we can see it. A is equals 13, right? So if I say a equals to 5, and then system.println a, and if I also print a out before assigning the new value, which is 5, it's going to be a equals 13, and then a will be equal to 5, right? Is that clear? Great. And so if we want to add more than 1, if we want to add 1, we can just say plus plus. If you want to add 1, if you want to add more than 1, you can say plus equals and then 2. So this basically means, let me show you, a equals a plus 2. So let's take a look at this. A, the old a, so when we assign a number, when we assign a new value to a number, we say a equals 5, right? So this is a, which is 13. The 13 will be equal to 5. So 13 changes to 5, and we have no path for 13 again. 13 is gone, and we have new 5. And here, what we do is, we have 5a right now. Let me just, don't want to confuse you guys. We have 13, right? A is equal to 13. A, 13 equals 13 plus 2. What is that? 15, right? Let's print that out and see. So this is the logic of plus equals. If I want to add 6, let's change this to 6. What is our number? 13. 13 equals, that means 13 is going to be gone. We have no concept of 13, but we will use 13 again here. So we're going to get that, not that 13, but the old 13 here, plus 6, which is 19. And it's going to print out 19 for us. Is that clear? Awesome. And if I say minus equals, it's going to change this to minus, and it's going to be 7. And it's the same for these. Again, let me show you. If I say 13 divided by 12 divided by 6. So division equals, which is, we change this here. So what is our A? 12. 12 equals 12 divided by 6, which is 2. Now, what is our new value for A? It's not only the result, but it's only the new value for A. So it's going to be, oops, I didn't run it. It's going to be 2, right? So whenever I want to print out 2 again, A again, it's going to give me 2, because we changed A's value to 2, because we said divide the old A with 6 and then put the old A's value to the new value. I don't know if that makes sense. And it's same for division, multiplication, and for remainder. I want to show you this one. So I'll do the same example. And if I change this to percentage, so A percentage 5. So what is this? We did it before, right? So A 13 divided by 5, 10. And what is the remainder? 3. So what is our new value for A? It's going to be 13. And that's basically it for these. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye.